shit, brother. Alright, Mota, so what the fuck, bro? You gonna wash your shit?
What, it's been fucking 2 hours, bro.
So, dude, I thought we were gonna do the fucking FPR.
This is the key, bro. Patience.
Hey, can you tell? Hey,
installing the kit.
can you tell us why you're going back to stock FPR?
Cause I gotta say ref guys. Well, it's been like what, a month? A month? This is my second stay ref actually. I got one with the SR ones, and then it's like for a while, and then blew up. So that's why I put okay. Well, after a few years later, and yeah, cause cops on my FPR and whatever I gave me to ref.
Alright, so that shit has to go, right? Yeah, it's a stock KA. So apparently in California, you cannot have a fucking aftermarket FPR, huh? Or else you get stay ref. There it is. Hold up. Holy shit, brother. Alright. Well, I guess we'll replace that shit later. After you're finished washing your shit.
Or never.
Or never.
¿Qué onda, muchachos? Estamos en el Shake and Bake Network. Yeah, I need you. I need you at least. Go make your mouth wait.
Hey, what the fuck is that, bro? Oh, is that a capacitor, my friend? Wow, you are dumping some mad beats over here. Dude, where's your car at?
He had to take off the side screen, take off the fender, and
MIA.
he like broke clips off.
Damn, the famous Daniel?
It was
I don't know what you're talking about.
And then at the door, he had to shave it. He had to shave it down. And he shaved it like he had a big ass gap.
You shave your nutsack?
Yeah, dude, a little bit.
Yeah, we're out here with Mota. I don't know what the fuck he's doing over here, but... Oh, shit! What the fuck over here steaming his fucking car and shit?
Professional, brother.
Professional nutsack?
Simón, vale.
Alright. Damn, bro, it's a nice interior you got here. Oh, some Brit seats.
But this shit was that guy or girl?
Oh, some crow. You got some Peace Racing steering wheel out here, damn, bro. Signed by who? Hey, signed by who? Naoki Nakamura and Abo.
Yeah, no.
And then Mota. And then JP Style. What the fuck, bro? Alright, so we're finally starting on this shit or what?
So guys, yeah, so right now we're gonna remove the APR. All stock ones. First, I'm gonna try to take off this side. If I can't take that off, then I can't take it off.
Alright, so you gotta take this piece off right here. That's where the stock FPR goes, huh? Oh. Damn, what is
Quarter
this?
to a quarter.
Quarter to a quarter?
Number 2. Yeah.
Oh, movie pan? Ah, that's nice. That's very nice.
Damn, that ain't what you're thinking.
Yo, where's the stock FPR at?
Like FRS.
Ooh, the FRS, huh? Whoa, what the fuck? Okay, brother. Okay. I see you.
Let's not go home.
Yeah, let's go check out your car, brother.
What car?
Okay, I guess you want to do it the fast way.
You have no baller tools like this? Fuck, they're red. Doesn't really matter, but...
Hey, so which one's the return line and which one's the... You're asking them. What do you want to eat, Daniel?
Yeah.
No one asked you, Mota. I asked Daniel. Alright, so you need this, what?
When you see your fuel rail.
You need this for when you run a
goes to the other side.
aftermarket FPR?
Correct. You're a genius, man.
You're a genius.
Nah.
Let's go pick up that wing though.
What wing? What wing?
You know the wing.
Let's go.
Alright. Mota, we'll be back, dog. Hopefully this shit's installed by the time we get back.
Hey, diamonds look like candy corn. Sent to China, Melbourne. No mail is airborne.
Damn. This is some real hot boy stuff right here. Not a lot of people have seen this car. But this is Daniel's car. Sexy Style. Well, he has a whole Sexy Style kit. Yep, T37s with some big Brembo brakes. God. I can't believe he's gonna part it out, guys. It's fucking wing, sexy style, everything. T37s with Brembo brakes. Jesus. I don't know if it's open. It is open. Wow, bro. There's some insane ass seats right here. He's got that Keys Racing steering wheel too. Yo, what kind of shift knob is that?
It's a Buddy Club.
Buddy Club shift knob with the Tomei short shifter with the Brids. That's a nice ass fucking ride. Bricks, bro. Wait, this is a Bricks, right?
Bricks 1.5.
And then what the fuck is that?
Zeta 3.
Zeta 3. Oh, with the Miracle X bar?
Yeah.
Damn, dude. That's your fucking car and you don't want to drive it, man?
Never know.
So you're gonna part it out or what?
Full part out.
Oh shit, man.
Hit me up.
I'll link your fucking Instagram down below. Can't believe you, man. That fucking camera in the front looks ridiculous. That's how low you want it to be? Or you want to go lower, huh?
Now the front is good.
Those
We're
are-
gonna have to go a little bit lower.
Those are 17s, huh?
Yeah.
18s in the rear?
Yep.
Shit. Alright, then let's fucking roll out. Back with some fucking food. Are you done yet? Yep. This is the Tomei fuel pressure regulator aftermarket. This is the reason you got stay revved, huh? Oh, stock FPR on? Okay, I see you. Stock FPR back on.
I'm working right now. I need shower afterwards.
Oh shit, bro.
Put a brick in the car.
Nice, subscribe and comment, baby. There you go.